Hi, I'm Mark from Maddox, and today we're here in Greenville, South Carolina at what used to be a fire station, which has now been renovated into a home for about 50 employees in various departments from sales, purchasing, customer service, and engineering. And these are the folks that get you the right transformers at the right time. So let's go ahead and take a look at these departments, beginning with our purchasing team. So this room is home to our purchasing representatives. These are the folks that are going to make sure that you get the best value for your unit. And these guys take care of our new stock inventory. So after our purchasing team has then bought the unit and our inventory team has tested and entered it into our system, it then shows as available inventory for our sales team to then sell to our customer. Up here in our bullpen, we have our sales team. Whenever you submit a form on our website, send us an email, or call in, this is the team on the other end of the line that is ready to assist you. So after getting the needed transformer specs, our sales team will check our inventory and respond with a quote and a lead time for the requested unit. For extensive technical questions or situations requiring custom quotes, the sales team will bring in the help of one of our engineers who are located in these offices. Our engineers will design custom units and work with our shop team to ensure that our customers get the right units for their projects. After the right transformer has been ordered, our customer service team, located in this room, takes over. This team keeps the customer up to date on scheduling, billing, and shipping information. They work with our shops to notify customers when a transformer has finished production or remanufacturing. They then coordinate the delivery details. After the delivery details are finalized, our logistics team, located over here, makes sure that the units get loaded onto a truck and shipped to the right location. And that's it from beginning to end. Our team here is dedicated to getting you the right transformer with the fastest lead times and best service in the market. Reach out today to get a transformer quote.